Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Shazwin Akilah binti Azman. So today we are going to present to all of you about teaching and learning genetics. First of all, these are my team members, Shahidatul and Intan Dayana. For teaching and learning genetics, we are having a lot of problems, such as students did not understand well about the concept and Mendel principle. The students cannot relate the concept and Mendel principle to solve the question that involve more than one characters and tri-hybrid cross.
The first solution for teaching and learning genetics become easier is computer teaching simulation. This computer simulation assists direct experience from practical classes and problem solving to the students. Next, the best part for this computer teaching simulation is some experiment involving Mendelian genetic and simulation. Other than that, complete crossing programs that are impossible in live organism can be carried out rapidly at almost no cost, which means it brings good to both parties. Problem can also be posted in connection with such simulation in such a fashion that each student can receive a different set of questions, so students can discuss and exchange knowledge. The program allows the students to solve a range of problems through the genetic setup in the question. Next, the standard mode has utility in allowing the student to carry out multiple experiments with self-monitoring.
Now, I will explain the second solution, which is animation or digital content. The concept and Mendel principle cannot be learned only from lectures and reference books. Through this animation or digital content, it can help the student learn about doing genetic crosses, especially involve tri-hybrid and dihybrid crosses. Other than that, the student can know that the gene always come in pairs and allele can be dominant or recessive. They also can know how to use Punnett squares and the fault line method to predict ratios of phenotype in offspring. But how this animation or digital content can be used in the classroom? Okay, firstly, the student will divided into a few groups. After that, the student will create and animate the video based on the concept and idea from their understanding of Mendelian genetics and share their video with their classmates. At the end of class session, the student not only get benefit from teaching their classmates through the video that they create, but they also get to use their musical and visual senses to enliven the hard topics to focus on. So the student can be more focused and make the class session become more interesting. Now, I will explain about the solution potential. First and foremost, through the computer simulation and animation program, it can inhibit good features to motivate the student to learn and understand genetic lesson easily. Besides that, the student will be more focused in the class during lecture session because it can attract their attention and can make it easier for them to better understanding about Mendelian genetics. And last but not least, the student will aspire to learn more about Mendel's principle because they find an easy way to understand it through animation digital content and computer teaching simulation.
So, for this presentation, we clearly state the problem and how to solve the problem. We also state the solution potential for the problem. That's all from us. Thank you.